Hi, everybody. Greetings from Clasheen. My name is Nicola Brown, and I am going to ask 6 of the most frequently asked questions about eco-printing in the dirty pot. These are consistently asked every time I do a live training. So question number 1 is, how many times can you reuse the dirty pot liquid? And the simple answer is you can reuse it as long or for as many months as you like, providing you keep topping it up. And usually I use mine for between 4 and 6 months, but my pots have very thick sides. So I do recommend, if you have just a regular domestic eco printing pot, that you take the pot liquid out between every session. Question number 2 is, do you top up the dirty pot while you are eco printing? And the answer to that is, you should always have your bundles submerged in the dirty pot liquid. So you need to check periodically, lift the lid off your saucepan, make sure it's boiling. And if the level of the pot liquid has gone below the bundles, yes, you need to top the pot up. And depending on the colors you're hoping to achieve, you can top the pot up with water and a little bit of extra vinegar to sharpen colors. Or if you have had a bucket with some eucalyptus leaves soaking in water, you can top the pot up with that eucalyptus water. Question number 3 that I get asked every single time I teach or make a presentation: which vinegar do you use? White, malt, cider, pickling? You can use any vinegar, you can use wine vinegar, and on one occasion I also used very, very acidic wine when I was in Portugal, that the owners of a new vineyard had made the wine, and it was too vinegary to drink. But what you cannot use is lemon juice, because that may bleach your fabric and the prints, and the color will not be so sharp. Can I use a gentle wool washing liquid detergent? Now, this would be for preparing your fabric before eco printing, and also for washing out your fabric afterwards. And I would say every time, no. You can use a gentle olive oil soap. You can use a liquid olive oil soap. But you do not want to use any commercially prepared liquid detergent or soap, because even if they say they are eco-friendly, they have different stain blasters, maybe including some citrus juice, and that will not help you with your eco printing. So I would say never, ever use any proprietary wool wash or any liquid detergent that is designed for a gentle wash. Do not use that. Question 5. How do you prevent tie lines on your fabric? Well, for me, they are part of my design and I love them. In fact, you might be able to see on one shoulder of the silk top that I'm wearing in that image, you can see stripe marks near the top. And I always plan out where I would like those stripe marks. But if you don't want them, rather than tying with string, you can actually use a stretchy crepe bandage, the sort of one you would use if you sprained your ankle. And just wrap that a few times around your bundle. It will absorb the pot liquid, but it will still allow enough through to your fabric so that you get good results and you will not have any tie lines. Question number 6. Can you achieve different colored backgrounds and prints? So this question has it's a bit of a double-edged sword. Yes, you can achieve them when working without traditional powdered mordants, when you do something called a tannin and iron reaction. But this does not give the same result as when you work with a mordant. And if you are somebody who wants to have, let's say, a pink background or a green background, or you want to use dye blankets, no, you cannot do that in the dirty pot unless you are prepared to mordant your fabric first. And working in the dirty pot or with the pot as mordant is all about not using those traditional powdered mordants or chemicals to fix your color. It's about working intuitively and using the metal composition of the pot itself to influence the color and help fix it. So I hope you found those questions helpful, questions and answers. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you are interested in more videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you achieve success for your own eco prints. Over and out from Clasheen.